السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. ویلکم ٹو مدنی اسلامک اکیڈمی قرآن تجوید کورس آن لائن. Viewers, today we will learn what is Musta'liyah letters in Arabic, how we pronounce Musta'liyah letters in Arabic accent, how many Musta'liyah letters in an Arabic. In this lesson we will learn about Musta'liyah letters. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. How many Musta'liyah letters in an Arabic? There are 7 Musta'liyah letters in an Arabic, and they are Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Ra, Ghain, Qaf. How do we pronounce Musta'liyah letters in an Arabic accent? Viewers, Musta'liyah letters always pronounced with thicker or heavy voice in every condition. We will learn each Musta'liyah letter, where each letter pronounced from which part of the mouth. First letter is Kha. Kha will be pronounced from the top part of the throat. Kha letter, first Musta'liyah letter, is pronounced from the top part of the throat. How we decide, how we pronounce Kha? Kha, Kha, Kha. The second Musta'liyah letter is Sad. Sad. Where we pronounce from our mouth this Musta'liyah letter, Sad, pronounced from the tip of the tongue and the inner edges of both front upper teeth. This Musta'liyah letter will be pronounced from the tip of the tongue and the inner edges of both front and upper teeth. The third Musta'liyah letter is Dad. Dad. This letter pronounced from the sides of the tongue and the roots of the upper molars. This Musta'liyah letter will be pronounced from the sides of the tongue and the roots of the upper molars. The next Musta'liyah letter is Ta. 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 This letter pronounced from the tip of the tongue and the roots of the upper front teeth. This Musta'liyah letter will be pronounced from the tip of the tongue and the roots of the upper front teeth. The next Musta'liyah letter is Ra. 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 This Musta'liyah letter will be pronounced from the top of the tongue and the inner edges of the upper teeth. This Musta'liyah letter will be pronounced from the top of the tongue and the inner edges of the upper teeth. The next Musta'liyah letter is Ghain. 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 This Musta'liyah letter will be pronounced from the top part of the throat. This Musta'liyah letter will be pronounced from the top part of the throat. The next Musta'liyah letter is Qaf. 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 This Musta'liyah letter will be pronounced from the roots of the tongue and the soft palate. This Musta'liyah letter will be pronounced from the roots of the tongue and the soft palate. Viewers, you see in green letters, this is the pronunciation of this Musta'liyah letter. How we pronounce Qaf, Qaf. We have each letter with its pronunciation. Ghain, Ghain, Ra, Ra, Sa, Da, Dad, 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 Sad, 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 Ha, Ha, Ha. These are the Musta'liyah letters in an Arabic